Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the exact charge in Wallet or the Apple Pay section of settings. This matters because timing decides your options. Once you see the transaction, check its status. Pending often allows a quick stop. Tap the entry to view merchant details, and if a cancel button appears, press it now. If no cancel option exists, contact the merchant directly using the provided contact info. You do this to request an immediate reversal before the payment settles. Once the payment is visible as posted or settled, document the amount, date, and merchant. You'll need those details for a dispute. Next, contact the merchant. Explain why you want the payment stopped and ask for a refund or reversal. Obtain a confirmation ID or email. If the merchant refuses or is unresponsive, call the bank or card issuer tied to that Apple Pay card to open a dispute. Provide your documentation so the issuer can reverse the payment or provisionally credit your account. You finish by confirming the refund or reversal on your bank statement. Expect it in a few business days, though it can take longer. Make sure to update or remove the affected card from Apple Pay and change your Apple ID password if you suspect unauthorized use. This prevents repeat charges. If the charge still shows or you need faster resolution, contact Apple support and your card issuer together. That coordinated approach often resolves time-critical disputes more quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.